out of the several digital marketing companies that I have interacted with, the stakeholders have a common chicken egg problem. How do they really give a fresher directly access to clients' digital marketing accounts? It's very risky, right? They want someone who is at least somewhat experienced into practical applications of it. And the solution that Itvedant has come up with, it's its innovative integrated internship program, where every learner along with the course gets a guaranteed internship. To take this ahead, Itvedant has collaborated with the 4P solution. I have with me Mr. Amay Katkar, and we are in 4P's office. Hey, hi Amay.
Hey, hi Swapnil, welcome to 4P.
Thanks. So Amay, what are the general challenges while recruiting fresh talent at your company?
So Swapnil, I would say it's not only challenge at my company, but I have a lot of other friends who run other agencies. The common challenge is, where do we hire the talent from? Okay. Because the talent is not being created at the same pace as much as the demand is. So obviously we need to look for freshers also. So, but when we are hiring freshers, the problem is our team members, especially the managers whom they will report to, spend a lot of time training them, hand-holding them. In fact, a common statement is, "Sir, मुझे कहाँ फंसा दिया ये intern के चक्कर में?" So much time is going there, which they could have utilized probably actually managing the client's project. So time management is very, very critical. Second, the management of the project. These are all live projects. The client live data is easily accessible to them. One small mistake and it can lead to loss which can go into millions. So these are a couple of common challenges, like how much exposure you can give to an intern or a fresher on an actual project, and second is the time management in managing these interns.
So Amay, to solve this, we have our integrated internship program as I discussed, wherein through real world case studies, projects, simulation, directly whatever you teach here and handhold them, we can have integrated with the course learning itself. That will really help expedite the fresher. You don't need to invest a lot of time. When he is coming with you, he is truly a big candidate. So Amay, practical applications, many candidates feel that just opening laptop screen and typing on the keyboard is practical. But we really feel at Itvedant, practical is something which brings you closer to the industry, which really solves the problem. So I'm really excited how our learners would help you to solve and be an asset. So what kind of case study can you offer in this program, which will really help you to get that talent?
That is really interesting, Swapnil, because when we actually interview a candidate, we give them some kind of practical assignment. But we also know 2 hours is very limited time to do that assignment. They will probably go online, use some tool to create the case study. But with the program what you had spoken about, I think we can do wonders. Let's say we give them a small case study wherein they have to go and make a micro website. But first, before they create a micro website, they go and do primary research. They understand who the audience is of the product, who the website is going to be accessed by, make the website, and then do search engine optimization. Probably for the next 1 month, we can give them a target. At least 100 users organically should come on the website. So not only they will have to invest their time, but they have to do it very practically. They just can't go or copy something from the internet. This is just one use case. Imagine we give them an assignment of launching an e-commerce brand. Maybe it would not generate many sales, but the experience of launching their own products on e-commerce site and seeing sales happening and real money coming into their accounts, I think they can learn a lot through this integrated internship program.
So rightly pointed, Amay, candidates who build micro website, e-commerce site, try to optimize their blog in SEO, doing all these things, the companies are eager to onboard these fresh talent.
Certainly, Swapnil. In fact, when we hire interns or freshers, what we look in their resume is, have they done some kind of practical activity in terms of digital marketing in their previous times. Maybe they have a family business and they have helped create their father's online identity, be it a very simple landing page, or let's say someone who has worked in the college event team and has created an event page to promote the college event. So even if these small activities are done, we definitely give a lot of weightage to this kind of candidates.
Correct. So my integrated internship certificate signed by you is specially what I will demand from the FOPI solutions. But along with it, what is the extra thing that you can offer to IT Vedant?
So certificate is definitely important, Swapnil. But I think what I will offer is the real time problems which we actually solve for our clients. Let's say a client A who has been working with us for last 2 years, we have solved so many use cases for them. What if we are able to give the same problem to these interns? Imagine the kind of learning they will have working on a real life use case, the kind of challenges they will face, and the kind of solutions they will develop. This is the kind of simulation probably you would be looking at if you want to place them in the actual job market. And I'm more than willing to help you in this endeavor.
So, real client mock data without harming anyone's privacy and getting our learners to learn is definitely a great add-on. Can I ask you for one more thing, please?
Yes.
So, can you offer them at least a good interview where they stand a chance to work at FOPI?
Yes, definitely we can start with that.
Even if the learners don't crack these interview opportunities, I'm quite sure with this entire integrated internship program, they stand out a higher chance with the FOPI as well as with all the other digital marketing companies.
Yes, I certainly feel so. It will enrich their experience, and once they go out in the market, wherein you can have companies, small, big, large agencies, marketing companies, they would definitely stand a brighter chance of getting selected there.
So learners, what are you waiting for? Grab this exciting opportunity of IT Vedant collaborating with FOPI Solutions in our digital marketing course today. Click on the link below to get access to all the details about the course. And Amay Katkar, really thanks for this collaboration from all our team.
It's my pleasure, Swapnil.